How to delete interface in Airtable. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can delete interface in Airtable. So sit back and watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like. So on this page, you would see different options, right? You would see start from scratch, quickly upload, as well as start with template. Then you can now go ahead to work with your drafts or the workspace that you've had before. So once you selected the workspace, this is how the workspace look like. Automatically you will be brought to the data option, right? By data option, I mean when you move to the top part of the screen, you can see a menu, right? Display options like data, automations, interfaces. For me, automatically you'll be brought to data. So you have to be the one to move to the interfaces page by yourself. So once you click on interfaces, you'll be brought to this particular page. Now on this page, you can see different options, right? You can see the name record, the things you can edit, and by the time you click on the more options button, you can go ahead and customize this page to suit you. So once you're on this page and then you desire to delete an interface, the first step to do, or the first thing to do, is move to the left side of the screen where you can see the title of the interface. Then you can see interface, right? The status of the interface. You can see add page to interface, and then you can see the more options button. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on this more options button, in the box displayed, you would see rename, change icon, duplicate, hide from navigation, and then delete. So just click on delete, and then a window would pop up in the middle of the screen asking you if you're sure that you want to delete this interface. Just click on delete, and then just like that, the interface would be deleted. So this is how we can delete interface in Airtable. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.